Friday night, we've been giving you the chance to win a massive £260,000 all week. And now it's time to find out who the lucky winner is. Over to Marvin Humes for that big money call.
Cash Register with winhappy.com.
So we closed the lines at 5 p.m. and selected one number at random from everyone who's entered across all participating radio stations. To win, just answer within 5 rings and make sure you know this week's cash register amount. Oh, no. There was no answer. That means no winner of that £260,000 today. I'm absolutely gutted for them. All right, entries since we opened the lines on July the 22nd at 6 a.m. have rolled over. Kate Thornton will make another cash register call next Friday, and that's going to be worth £270,000. Make sure you're listening after 6 p.m. and we'll tell you how that could be all yours.
Start of the weekend. It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday.
Right, here we go.
I'm feeling electric tonight.
Just the DJ wants to turn the music up.
Turn it up the volume. Music keeps on.
Take it back now, y'all.
So hot. Skip that. Bring the beat back.
It's Friday night, and now it's Gary Spence with the mix till 6.
MFR.
Come now with your shout 61025.